Generating electricity. There are various ways to generating electricity. Here we are going to discussing how to generate electricity by using lime float. Two lime floats are used to generating electricity here with the two metal sheets. One is the copper sheet and zinc sheet. To observing the electricity generation, we are using the galvanometer. Here we are using centered zero galvanometer. If we are connecting to these two terminal of the metal sheets, the galvanometer indicator may be deflecting from the zero to this direction or this direction because that is depend on the direction of current flow. And also by using this galvanometer, we can measure the amount of current flow through this circuit or the galvanometer by generation of current from the lime float.
Dear student, today now we are going to see the simple cell. Make it by using lime fruits. Here I took two lime fruits and two metal sheets. This is the copper sheet, this is the zinc sheet, and here we are using multimeter instead of the galvanometer. Normally the galvanometer we are using to check the direction of current flow and amount of current flow occur in the circuit, but here I am going to use the multimeter to check the voltage difference generated by using these two lime fruits. So the metal sheets are connected in the lime fruits. Here this is copper sheet, this is zinc sheet, then the copper sheet, zinc sheet. Here the zinc sheet and the copper sheets are connected with the external wire. Now I am going to check the electricity generation by using the terminals of two lime fruit and the multimeter terminals. Here this is the multimeter positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. So I am going to connect the terminals to the multimeter, so we can observe the deflection of indicator in the multimeter.
The another way of generating electricity by using simple cell or the voltaic cell, which is known as the voltaic cell because this cell invented by Alexander Volta. Here we are using diluted sulfuric acid and copper sheet zinc sheets. When you are dipping this copper sheet and the zinc sheet into the diluted sulfuric acid, we can observe the deflection of galvanometer. So this normally we are using the centered zero galvanometer. So the indicator will be deflects according to the electricity generation in this simple cell. At the same time, we can observe some observation in this simple cell. The zinc sheet reacting with the diluted sulfuric acid and it will be dissolving in the solution. At the same time, the air bubbles evolving near the copper sheet because of the chemical reaction occurred in this simple cell.
Dear students, now we are going to make it the simple cell by using two metal sheets, copper and zinc sheet. Here I am going to take diluted sulfuric acid as an electrolyte. So the diluted sulfuric acid make it by adding small amount of sulfuric acid into the water. So the metal sheets dip into the diluted sulfuric acid. You can see the two observations. The zinc sheets, you can see the zinc sheet dissolving. At the same time, near the copper sheet there is a air bubbles evolving. Here there is a chemical reaction takes place in deflection of multimeter because there is a electricity generation in this simple cell. There is a electricity generation in the simple cell by the chemical reaction. This simple cell invented by Alexander Volta.